Hi, did you know your estate plan could benefit from periodic reviews? Many think an estate plan is one and done,
Nope.
and once created, it is self-sufficient.
Wrong.
But this misconception could lead to unintended consequences. If you move to a new state, change jobs, divorce, or remarry. If a grandchild is born or any major life changes happen, it could create a need for an estate plan review. If your assets are flowing in the wrong direction, you may accidentally disinherit a family member.
Uh-oh.
And even worse, your ultimate wishes for your family may never be fulfilled. That's why Legacy Assurance Plan offers periodic reviews. We stay with you as your partner in estate planning every step of the way. Call Legacy Plan today at 844-445-3422